Hello everyone. Today I'm going to walk you step by step through how I reconstitute a 12 milligram vial of GLP-1R, commonly called Reta, using 1.2 milliliters of backwater. We're going to keep it safe, sterile, and simple, just using the simple 1 ml syringe. Here's what you're going to need. 12 milligram vial of Reta, 1.2 milliliters of backwater, 1 ml insulin syringe, or 2, depending on how you'd like to do it, alcohol swabs, and a clean, dry surface. First, sterilize both tops of the vials, backwater, as well as your Reta vial. Now, using my 1 ml insulin syringe, I'm going to draw 1 ml of BAC. Here's a pro tip. Draw your insulin syringe with 1 ml of air. What you're going to do is inject that 1 ml of air into your vial of BAC. What this does is this equalizes the pressure in the vial, so it's easier to draw into your syringe. Now that we've got our first full vial or ml of BAC, I'm going to put the cap back on. Once you've got your 1 ml, repeat the process for the final 0.2 ml or 20 units. You can use the same syringe, or in this case, we're going to use a second one just for this demonstration. I'm going to take my second syringe and I'm going to pull this back to the 20 unit mark. Do the same thing. I'm going to inject the BAC water with air. Withdraw to the 20 unit mark. Now you're going to take your 12 milligram vial, allow the vacuum naturally pull in the BAC water. You don't need to force it. You don't want it to hit the peptide itself. You just want to let it roll down the side of the vial naturally. As you can see there, it's automatically drawing in the BAC water with the vacuum. We got our first one in there. Put the cap back on, don't poke yourself. We're going to take our 0.2, our 20 units, do the exact same thing. You can tilt it up a little bit just to let it roll down the side. That's in. Now once all the 1.2 milliliter is in, gently swirl the vial, do not shake it. So you're going to gently swirl the vial, do not shake it. Don't shake. You want a clear solution when you're completed with no particles. If it's cloudy, let it sit for a few minutes and swirl again. Shouldn't be cloudy, it should be nice and clear. This is Reta. And that's how we reconstitute a 12 milligram vial. Now, why am I using 1.2 ml? Because it makes dosing super simple. With this ratio, 10 units equals 1 milligram of Reta. Easy, clean math, perfect for titration or microdosing. If you want to make microdosing even easier, using a 30 or 50 unit syringe to draw your dose makes it super simple to read. Once mixed, store your vial in the fridge and always swab before each use. Need help with a peptide calculator or dosing chart? Head over to kempcorefitness.com, all for educational purposes only. Stay consistent, stay safe, and go out and crush it.